Is your Fortnite experience ruined by complete silence? Don't worry, I'm going to give you a quick fix to get you back in the game with sound. First, let's make sure Fortnite isn't muted in the Windows volume mixer. Right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray, usually at the bottom right of your screen. Then, select Open Volume Mixer. In the volume mixer, find Fortnite. Is the volume slider turned all the way down? If so, slide it up to a reasonable level. Make sure it isn't muted either. If the volume mixer didn't solve it, head into Fortnite settings. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the main lobby, then click on the gear icon to open settings. Go to the audio tab. Here, make sure your output device is set correctly. If you use headphones, select your headphones. If you use speakers, select your speakers. Cycle through all audio output settings and ensure all are at 100%, and try testing your in-game audio to check if it fixed the problem. If neither of those worked, it may be an outdated or corrupted audio driver. Press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Once Device Manager opens, expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section. Then right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for and install the latest driver for your audio device. Restart your computer after updating and launch Fortnite. Hopefully, these steps got your Fortnite audio back up and running. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try to help.